I'm happy to announce that New Year's readings are available on my website starting from now. You can find them in all 4 tiers. You can book them for yourself or for a friend or a family member as a gift. Thank you very much for booking a reading with me and for supporting my channel and for watching my content. Let's imagine that for a short time you're able to exist without pain. Just give it a chance. Just try it. It's not going to take up too much of your time. So sit back, relax, and allow for the tarot to show you how you can do it. How you can turn off the pain, the suffering, even if just for a little while. If you enjoy this type of content, I encourage you to make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. If you'd like this video, comment. Let's talk. Let's have a conversation. If you would like to support the existence of this channel, I recommend that you book a session with me. You can do so on my website. You can find the details in the description. All right, let's do it. Just listen to the sounds of shuffling. Those sounds in and of themselves are deeply healing. Power of ASMR, power of relaxation. You would be surprised how potent these things are, how healing these things are. So just allow for this moment to happen and pass, to happen and pass. And 3 cards have jumped out of our deck, so let's talk about them. Actually 4, so we have quite a few things to talk about. So let's see. Your first card is the Hermit. If you spend a lot of time alone, you might think that you are different, that you don't belong, that people don't understand you. But the main question is, do you understand yourself? Are you seeking a solution, a constructive way forward? Are you interested in the truth? Do you want to see the light? If so, please continue watching, because we're going to be guiding you closer and closer to the most authentic truth that can be uncovered in this moment. Death, the physical death of the body, exists. Perhaps. We don't know. You've never died before, or have you? Death is mere speculation. It might not even be what you think it is, so it makes no sense to worry about it. Death in a physical sense is very different than death in a spiritual sense. And when it comes to the spiritual implications of death, the only thing that matters is that you keep going, that you don't get stuck in a stage of dying, that you go through it, that you keep going and changing and transforming into something else, something better, an improved version of yourself. The Knight of Wands is your wildness, your youth, your courage, audacity to do things that don't fit the criteria that society is trying to impose upon you. You are a wild card, a free spirit, someone who does not differentiate between good ideas and bad ideas, someone who just goes for it. You are impulsive, but that's okay. It's because you're young. You're young at heart. Perhaps your body is not that young anymore, but your spirit is young. And a lot of the pain that you are encountering and experiencing in your life comes from this impatience, this lack of deliberation. It's a beautiful thing. It's a flirtation with danger, a flirtation with death, but it is causing you pain every now and then. So let's see what you can do. What you can do to deal with it, to make it better. You can transform into the King of Pentacles, who's sitting on a throne of stability, while the Knight of Wands operates in the realm of fire. The King of Pentacles is operating in the earth realm. You can build a life, you can build a universe for yourself that is rock solid, that is reliable, that is prosperous, and that has all those factors and conditions that you need in order to be successful. You can do it. It's a matter of decision. And I'm calling you, I'm calling upon your subconscious mind right now to allow for that to happen, to make way for something new, something better, a different strategy to emerge. It is quite shocking, but oftentimes it is your own self-sabotage that stands in your way. A lack of imagination, perhaps, and a lack of permission. So, I'm calling upon your subconscious mind right now to give you permission to enter the phase, the stage, the paradigm of the King of Pentacles. You can do it, and it's already happening. And you are here with us. You're here in this healing space, and it's already happening. And there's no questions asked, because your subconscious understands on a deep, intuitive level what needs to happen now. And I would just like you to see in your mind's eye that you are standing in front of a window, and the curtains are closed right now. But you can walk up to the window and the curtains, and you can pull them. You can pull those curtains so that you can see what's outside, what is available. What you're looking at through the window is your potential. What you can see is what resides within your subconscious, the treasures that you can learn to access and utilize. If you would like, let me know in a comment what you see when you look through that window. Let me know, what is it that your subconscious mind is revealing to you at this moment. We will discuss it, and that will be a clue as to what sort of hidden treasures and hidden capacities and resources you can learn to utilize. I hope that you enjoy this reading. Thank you for spending this time with me. I hope you're feeling better. Have a good night or a good day.